What's going on, guys, and welcome to my channel. This is Marky Williams. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on the old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial. All the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. LinkedIn has come a long way when it comes to getting your resume out to everyone, but also you can use LinkedIn as a social media platform that could be a relationship with your consumers. By uploading and posting engaging content and participating in industry discussions, business utilizing LinkedIn can target and market to potential customers and partners. So in this tutorial, I will go over the online certification course regarding how to use LinkedIn for your business growth when it comes to your remote work or freelancing career. The online certification course will go over how freelancers can close out high-ticket clients, enable these skilled people to find highly paid remote jobs within the 50 states. This online course is for people who are not getting the desired results from other freelancing platforms and remote job sites. You will learn advanced LinkedIn profile optimization strategies to rank on top of Google and LinkedIn search. There's a step-by-step process on how to increase your followers and search lookup from 0 to 1,000 in no time flat. In this course, you will also learn some of the following tactics: how to grow your network, how to stay connected with active people on LinkedIn, best strategies to use to create content that sparks the attention of targeted audience, why LinkedIn is important for your career as a professional or freelancer, and business growth tool. So let's pick apart some of these curriculums. First off, of course, it will fully explain why you need LinkedIn and understanding the power the platform has when it comes to business growth and networking. When it comes to optimizing LinkedIn for massive visibility, the course will show you how to pitch yourself through the pitching section, from designing your LinkedIn URL and banner to setting up a profile video. There will be 19 lectures on the art of content marketing to help build your brand and get attention that you need, and that will be through the art of storytelling. You will learn the best techniques when it comes to creating engaging content, whether it be text, picture, or video only posts. You will learn the best way of doing all three. When it comes to lead generations, in order to win those clients, there will be client winning strategies in this 14-part lecture course. The course will go over the job searching portal, ATS systems, and keyword findings. When it comes to applying for jobs and follow-ups, you will learn the proper way when it comes to communicating with recruiters. In this link below, I will also give you the course, and along with many other courses in regards to brand marketing, LinkedIn marketing, job hunting secrets, and much more. For some who aren't too familiar with LinkedIn and the power of access to many great people, there will also be a chapter on why you need LinkedIn, understanding the power and social selling index of LinkedIn. When creating a winning network through LinkedIn, there will be 11 lectures on finding relevant people, the 1 to 10 rule of network growth, find the target audience using Boolean search, learning the art of insightful engagement, and of course, the induction to networking. When it comes to optimizing LinkedIn profile for massive visibility, the course will have lectures on how to pitch yourself by optimizing profile names and profile pictures, optimizing about sections, which will be in the same LinkedIn summary, how to set the skills section and get endorsements, and of course, more in this 17 lecture chapter. With this LinkedIn growth hack, you also get 14 strategy lectures on lead generations and client winning, from applying for jobs and communicating with the recruiters into utilizing the job searching portal on LinkedIn. This 8.5-hour, 69 lecture online course will have you thoroughly in the know-how when it comes to optimizing and working your way around in LinkedIn. Once again, when clicking on the link below to open up the tutorial portal point for the course, please be sure to check down below for all the other excellent courses that are in that scope of work. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. You can also check me out on Facebook under Marky Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses as well that's floating around right here. Always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Marky Williams, and I'm out.